Welcome back to CJ Woods World, and today I'm going to be building the air cannon from KiwiCo. So, before we start the video, make sure to sit down, get the popcorn, get a drink, and relax, and then you can enjoy the show. Now, let's get building. And so here is the cannon, and here is the target. So let's check it out. So let's give it a try. 3, 2, 1. I was knocked out. 2. Okay, I almost got that one. Okay. Let's do it again, because I want at least 4. I don't know if that's possible, but in my book, anything's possible. So here we go. Pull back. Aim. Fire in the hole! Oh, I got 2 again. No, I'm so close to getting 3. But it's gonna happen at some point. I'm gonna get a really big blow. All right, so let's do it. We have 2 more tries after this. 3, 2, 1, unless we do 4. 3, 2, 1. 1 again. No! I don't like getting 1. I feel like that's like, no, only 1. Like everybody can get past 1. If you have like 1 thing down, one of these off, and a guy just goes 2, and they win. Okay, so my second to last try. Gotta do it. 3, 4! Oh, let's go, baby! Oh my God! 4, let's go, baby! I knew it would come. I knew it. Let's go! Oh man! Yes! Let's go! Let it snow! Oh my God! That was epic. So, if you get KiwiCo, make sure to try this out. Every month, you get a new box, and you get to build and create new and amazing things. And they're so fun. I have tons of them in my room I need to build, so we're probably gonna have a couple more videos on KiwiCo. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!